This video will demonstrate how to export references from Ebsco databases, including Business Source Premier, CINAHL, and Social Work Abstracts. First of all, I have already opened my EndNote library so that it's ready to receive the new references. Now I'm going to open my browser and go to the library homepage, and I'm going to type in Business Source Premier into the search to access the database. You can type the name of any database to access it quickly from Library Search. The link to the database appears at the top of the search results. Click it to access the database. You may be asked to log in with your university details. So here is the search page for Business Source Premier. All of the Ebsco databases look like this, including ERIC, CINAHL, and Social Work Abstracts. So I'm going to do a search for sustainable supply chain and press search. So on the results list, I can have a look and decide whether I want to export just one item or the whole page of results. If I want to export just one item, I need to click on the title and then click Export. Make sure that Direct Export in RIS format is selected and then press Save. A file will be downloaded to the computer, and when I click to open it, the file will be added to the EndNote library. If I want to export several results at the same time, I need to go to the top of the results list and click Share, and then Add to Folder Results 1 to 10. And you can see they have been added to the folder. This is a temporary folder. You can scroll down and go to the second page of results and do the same process. So click Share and Add to Folder Results 11 to 20. You can also click next to individual items, the folder icon here, and add individual items to the folder. Once I've finished adding all the items that I want to export, I can click Go to Folder View or choose the folder from the top menu. From here, click Select All and then Export. Again, make sure that Direct Export in RIS format is selected and press Save. The file will be downloaded and you can open it to add these references to the EndNote library. For more help and advice about using EndNote, please visit the library website.